Hi everyone, it's Emmylou here. I'm going to show you today how to do something Easter-ish because it's Easter coming soon, so I'm quite excited. I've got quite a few eggs, real eggs, just because they're quite yummy actually. So what I'm going to do is we need a piece of paper, any size paper, and a pencil. I'm going to base it on this artist called, we did it earlier on, Paul Cézanne. Paul Cézanne loved drawing apples, loved drawing fruit, loved drawing things to do with still life, things that don't move. So we're going to do things that don't move in our picture. So it's going to be a collection of objects and it's going to be Easter-ish. So the first thing you need is to draw a shape that looks like a smile, a nice big smile on that side of the paper, because we're going to do a watering can to begin with because it's really spring-like and I like the idea of drawing something to do with the garden. Then we're going to go down. We're going to rub out quite a bit here, so just draw lightly if you can. Then we're going to go down. Then we're going to just join it up like a smile. Smile. Then on the top, I thought it'd be quite cool to do a handle on the top of the watering can, but I'm not sure if I want to draw it yet. I might do it anyway. I'm just going to go up like that, nice big one, and then do a line, and then so it's like a big snake or a worm. Now I want to put Easter eggs in it because I thought it'd be really fun to have like almost like a basket and a watering can of Easter eggs. So I'm going to draw like an egg there, like an egg coming out. Then I want to sort of draw an egg on its side, and then another egg, and then another egg. So they're all kind of different sizes and it's a big watering can full of eggs. On the eggs, you can turn them into characters, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Or you can just decorate them. You can just decorate them however you like. So some could have spots, some could have whatever, and then you could have like, quite fun to do, crisscrossies. So just have a go at just drawing out what you want. Then we're going to do the spout. So we want to do shape like this, and you're going to go up. You're going to go up and you get into smaller, because it's a bit like a carrot. Just trying to think if I've got my, oh no, I've cleared my, oh so annoying. You know when you clear your desk, so you clear something and you can't find the exact thing you wanted. The exact thing I wanted I can't find. Oh, not to worry. Not to worry. Oh, it's so annoying, isn't it? Anyway, right, then you want to do this. You want to go, oh. And then inside that shape, we're going to do the spout. It's like this. Think of it as an oval. So it's like an oval, and you're going to do the awesome little holes that the water comes out of. So draw those whilst I try and locate my Tipp-Ex, because my Tipp-Ex is going to be what you're going to rub out with your rubber, but I'm probably not going to be able to find it, am I? Nope. Okay then, so what you want to do is you want to rub out this bit. So get your rubber and rub out this bit. So while you're rubbing it out, I am going to start drawing the chick. What we might want to do is I'm going to draw an Easter egg here. So just draw a shape of an egg. It doesn't matter really where it is, but draw a shape of an egg. Now, I want to turn this egg into a shark because I thought it'd be really fun. And also, if you've got eggs at home that you don't need to eat, you can turn it into a shark by painting little things on it. So I thought I'm going to do that into a triangle because that's his little tail. And then on the top, we're going to do a smile, and that's going to turn into a fin. And then rainbow, and then another fin. And then I thought, how cool would it be to do the mouth? So big mouth. He just looks so cute. Like if I've got any eggs, because I've eaten all my eggs, if I've got any eggs left over, I might do this with an egg or just draw it. So that's my fish. That's like my fish egg. And then here, I thought it would be really fun to draw something like a chick, like a cartoon chick. So the first thing you need is circle. Don't worry about this line, because we're going to rub this out if I find my tippet. And then we want to go for the body. So it's a bit like an 8. Now, this looks really cool because you're going to do 2 little rainbows. And these are where his legs come out. So we're going to go 2 lines like that. So those are his little legs, just like that. Then you want to do his cute little feet. Oh, so they're quite big because I think cartoon things that are big look cute. They look nice. And then we want a wing. So we're going to do a line there. Have it going out. It's a bit like a carrot. Line there, going out. So that's another wing. And then we want to do the face. So let's just do a little beak. So it's a rainbow into a triangle. Just these little lines there, just to make it look like a beak. And then you want 2 itty bitty eyes. You can create any eyes you like. It's quite nice to make it your own. So mine's a little girly one. Mine's a little girly one with eyelashes. Now I wanted to also create an other egg. I thought we could do a minion egg. How cool would that be? So draw the egg shape. Then you want to do a line for where his trousers is. He's on the side, he's leaning. Little bit of a mouth. Then you've got 2 little holes for his eye. And all minions, or most of them I think, wear goggles. So add the little goggly bits on. 2 little bobbles for the eyes, and he's got some hair somewhere. So that could be like your minion, and you could do a lot of them. You could do a whole watering can of minions. Now, because I can't find my Tippex, it's quite irritating because I really enjoyed using that because it helped you see what to rub out. But because I can't find it, I am just gonna use Pritt Stick and some paper. So get your rubber if you haven't done so already, and you're gonna rub out this line. So rub out that line. You're gonna rub out whatever's inside your chick. That's the watering can. So I'm sticking this down to show you. But you want to rub out, get a rubber and rub out all the line. Yeah, don't stick, whatever you do, just rub it out, rub, rub, rub. So rub-a-dub, rub it out. Oh, okay then. So once you've rubbed all the lines out that I've actually put down, which is the chick. Whoa. Right, well, anyway, moving on. Okay. Right, so we've rubbed out that line. If you've rubbed out too much of the chick, you can just draw it back in, so that's fine. But also, what you want to do is make your chick look fluffy. So you can just do a ziggy-zaggy line around. Just because when you colour it in, it will look nice and zaggy, ziggy-zaggy, fluffy. Inside the chick's wings, you want to rub that out if you've got the line there, because you don't need it. You do not need that line. So rub that out. Whew, that's a lot of rubbing out. Right, with the legs, you don't really need the lines, but I just might add them in. Just so I don't have to rub out. So you got some lines there. Right, okay, let's go. I'm going to use oil pastel. What you could do is do an awesome daffodil. I think I'm going to show you how to do a daffodil soon. I might just do a quick daffodil. Should I do a quick daffodil for you? I'm going to do a quick daffodil. We're going to go shape like that. Then it goes out. And then we're going to go oval. Then we're going to go zigzaggy, zigzaggy. Then, wow! These are like the ears, they're the petals. If you can't do it, think about triangles. Triangles, triangles. That's my daffodil. Obviously, I'm going to do it more detailed in one of my other videos. But there's your lines of your daffodil. The daffodil's going to kind of come like that. That's going to be the stalk of the daffodil. So there's my daffodil. It's not particularly realistic, and that's fine. I am going to colour it in. Think about the colours of spring. Think about the colours of Easter. I would say there's a lot of yellows, there's a lot of bright things, there's birth going on, lots of baby lambs, lots of lambs being born. I'm going to do the chick just for now. So we're going to go round with a yellow, any colour you like, in the sense of if it's a bright yellow, a dark yellow, it's okay. If you've got a watercolour or a normal whatever, it's fine. Don't worry, as long as you're colouring it in. If you want a more detailed video of the chick, look for the chick video that I've done a couple of days ago. So there's a little bit of him. I'm going to get a bright yellow now and just do a little bit more inside. I've got paper stuck to mine, so mine's going to look not as neat as yours. Okay, there's my cute little chicken. Chick. Then orange. I want orange for his cute little legs. Oh, how cute is that? Okay. And then the beak's orange. Might colour most of that. Then we want, I'm going to do blue for the eyes, but you don't have to. You can do any colour. Oh, it kind of looks cute. I nearly thought I lost my black again. I keep losing black. Right. Now, one finger. If you've got chalk, oil pastel, and if you've got watercolour pencil, you just put water. But we're going to smudge. Have a go if you want to. I don't get any money for saying this. But Cass Art is where I get my oil pastels from. So it's Cass Art. They're ordering, you can get it online, but they've got the best oil pastels if your parents want to get them. You've probably got some already, so it's fine. But if you want to get some, and your parents can get them from there, because it's really cool. If you're not sure where to get them and you've missed it, it's Cass Art. But ultimately, you can get these from anywhere. You just want some nice ones that feel good to use. I like when it feels good to use. Right, the watering can. I'm going to do a pink, purple, blue. I might do a blue one. I'm going to do a blue one, so I'm going to colour around. And you could write Happy Easter on your watering can, couldn't you? That's quite a lot to colour in with the watering can. And do it neatly. Pause the video if you need to. Secret to colouring in, I find, is always colour the lines in around the outside. So we've done that. I always like to add a different type of blue if you've got it. If you don't have it, it does not matter. It's going to be where my shadow is. So the shadow is normally at the bottom, on there and on there. A little bit of this. As I say, do not worry. You don't need to add it. It's fine. You could colour the whole watering can with one colour if you want. It doesn't have to be blended in like I'm doing it. I just like doing it like this because it looks quite realistic. Okay. Ha ha ha, there's my watering can. I just went ha ha ha. Not quite sure why, but okay. Okay, sorry, apologies. I should wash my hands. Do not lick your fingers. Just wash your hands. Okay, right, yellow for the petals. So I'm going to just colour those yellow. And I kind of want orange. You could spend hours doing this, but I'm just going to do it quickly because you don't want to... you could spend ages on this, but I just want to show you roughly what you can be doing. Bit of yellow in there. I want an awesome green that's going to go in here. This is my stalk. And you just want to get your one finger again and just smudge. Smudge away. Okay, now you can obviously make this look a lot more detailed, but at the moment it's fine as it is. My shark, how cool is he? You can colour him in all blue. So I'm not colouring in the lines, I'm just colouring all of him, just because he's so small. And then I'm going to do dark blue for his fins. Then you can outline, I might get a black eye, but you can outline him. You can get a pencil and draw around all the lines so he looks more sharp. So he stands out. So there's my shark. He doesn't look that awesome at the moment because he's kind of so close to the colour of the watering can. So what you could do is outline him more in black so he really stands out. There we go. Just a bit easier, isn't it? Might outline everything. Why not? Okay, right, this one. I think he's got yellow face, doesn't he? Yellow face. So have a go at drawing a big egg and seeing what you can make out of it, seeing what characters you can make, because it's really fun. You could make a whole family of eggs. You could do your mum, your dad. You could have a whole family of eggs. That would be awesome. Just doing a little bobbly bit there. So there's my minion little egg. He looks cute. So here we could just colour anything. Any colours you like. And as I say, you could have a minion basket of eggs. You could have a basket of minion eggs. You could colour the whole thing and then just go over with the dots. I think I'll just finish that off because it looks nice. The stripy one you could do different colours. I'm just doing one just to show you. What else do we want? Oh, red. We haven't used any red, have we? Could put red on the shark's teeth. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Do a little bit of red. Why not? Okay, so that is literally my Easter picture. What you could do is just have this on its own on a greeting card. You could have just the chick on its own. You could have just the daffodil on its own. You could do a card for each family member, like your grandma or granddad or your mum or your dad or your carer. You could go wild and just do lots of different ones because it's nice to celebrate. If you don't celebrate Easter, celebrate spring. Celebrate the fact that lots of things are coming to life. So I'm doing shadow here, just because if I want it to be one big picture, I can add some shadow. I wouldn't mind doing a baby lamb one time. Baby sheep, which is a lamb. Okay, there we are. So that's pretty much my Easter picture. What I might do is just sign it like that. I just like the idea of that. So have fun doing your Easter picture. Make sure you make it your own. So as I say, you could put that in the watering can if you like, or you could just do the chick on its own. You could just do the chick holding the daffodil. You could do lots of those. So you could have them all set up in a row and you could create a whole family portrait of eggs and what they could be. So yes, enjoy doing your drawing, continue sending me the pictures, subscribe and share, and I'll see you tomorrow.